So we ran into a problem with our rebuild of the glass cutting table. We already knew that we would have to take and re-plug all the fasteners where we have, because we originally, there was already a wood plug. We had to drill that plug out, take the old screw out, and now that we put it all back together, we're putting these plugs back in. But the problem that we're running into is our original intention was to buy a 1/2 inch or 5/8 dowel, cut the dowel, put it in the hole. But these are actually 9/16 plugs. So we had to end up making our own plugs for this project, and there's about 200 of them. So let's go over to the mill and we'll show you how we cut them. And it's probably in the way. And there is 6 plugs. Now we'll go back to the table. We'll show you how you have to install every single one of these things. So what we got to do is there's old glue in every hole that we have to dig out from when the original plug was installed. And the problem is, it would be nice to use a drill bit or something, but at the bottom of every one of these holes is a screw, so we were concerned that we'd probably toast the drill bit if we actually used a bit. And there we go. Glue it, let it dry in 24 hours, cut it off, sand it, times that by 200, and we should be looking pretty good.